Acids, bases and salts. Acids are the chemical compounds that are sour in taste. Acids are present in many things that we use in our daily life. Curd has lactic acid, lemon has citric acid, and vinegar has acetic acid in it. Bases are the chemical compounds that are bitter to taste and soapy to touch. Bases are present in detergents, toothpaste, and hair dyes. Then how do we test the presence of acid and bases? We can test the presence of acid or base using acid-base indicators. Litmus is the most popular acid-base indicator. It is a natural acid-base indicator obtained from a kind of lichens. Blue litmus paper turns to red when dipped in acid. Red litmus paper turns to blue when dipped in a base. Red cabbage, turmeric, and hibiscus are some examples of natural indicators. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are synthetic acid-base indicators. When methyl orange is added to an acid, it turns to red color. If it is added to a base, its color changes to yellow. When phenolphthalein added to an acid, there is no color change observed. But if it is added to a base, its color changes to pink. Here we have some chemical compounds. Let us test these compounds with acid-base indicators. Among these compounds, HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 and CH3COOH, they turns the blue litmus to red. When methyl orange added, they produce red color and remains colorless with phenolphthalein. This indicates that all these compounds are acids. The remaining compounds like sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide, they turns the red litmus to blue and produces an yellow color with methyl orange. They form pink color when phenolphthalein is added. This proves that they are all bases. Certain acid-base indicators works with smell. These kind of acid-base indicators are called olfactory indicators. Examples: onion, vanilla essence and clove oil. Using onions as acid-base indicators. First, let us take a polythene cover and place some chopped onions in it. Place a small piece of cloth in the same cover along with onions. Now tie the cover using a thread or tape. Place this packet in the refrigerator for the whole night. On the next morning, take out the cloth from the cover. Cut 2 strips from the cloth as shown. Now smell these 2 strips of cloth. You will get onion smell from both the strips. Now place these strips on a flat surface and add dilute HCl drops to strip 1 and sodium hydroxide drops to strip 2. Rinse these 2 strips in distilled water separately. If you know why we need to rinse them in distilled water at this step, please write it in the comment section. Now once again, smell the 2 strips. The strip to which HCl is added gives the same onion smell, but the strip to which sodium hydroxide is added do not give any onion smell. It has lost its onion smell. Do you know why? The onion treated cloth strips become acidic since the vapors from the onions are acidic. When this acidic cloth strip is treated with HCl, there is no reaction between HCl and onion cloth. Whereas in the other strip that is treated with sodium hydroxide, there is an acid-base reaction between the sodium hydroxide and onion treated cloth strip. Here the neutralization reaction takes place. So the cloth strip loses its odor. Reaction of acids and bases with metals.